5 students took last semester's final exam in statistics early. Their scores were 33, 45, 51, 77, and 92. Find the standard deviation. Since the standard deviation has different formulas for population and sample standard deviation, we need to decide first which we have, a sample or a population. And since we're looking at only students who took the final exam in statistics early, and there were 5 of them, and we have 5 scores, we're going to assume that we have a population here, and we're going to calculate a population standard deviation, sigma, the formula for which is the square root of the sum of the deviations squared divided by the total number in the population. So what we notice from the formula is that we have to have the population mean mu first. So that's our first order of business. We'll calculate mu, which is the sum of the data divided by the number of data. So that would be 33 plus 45 plus 51 plus 77 plus 92 divided by 5, and we have 59.6. So this is equal to 59.6. Then we need to calculate the deviations, one for each datum, square them, add them up, and then divide by the total number of data. So we'll start with a chart. X minus mu, x minus mu squared, and we'll put the information in. Oh my. Gonna make one more row. Okay, for x equals 33, 45, 51, 77, and 92. So when x is 33, x minus mu, which is 59.6, remember mu is 59.6, 33 minus 59.6 is negative 26.6. And then we can square it, and that's what goes here. So if we square that number, we get 707.56. 707.56. Next, we have 45. X is 45, so we have 45 minus 59.6. Negative 14.6. And we need to square that to 13.16. Moving on, we have 51 minus 59.6. Negative 8.6. Squaring that, we have 73.96. Moving on, 77 is x, and we subtract mu, 59.6, and we get 17.4, which squared 17.4 times 17.4 is 302.76. And finally, 92 minus 59.6 is 32.4 squared, somewhere around 1,000. Looks like it's going to be 1049.76. And now we go back to the formula. We need the sum of all the squared deviations. So that means we have to add this column. So the sum of the x minus mu squareds is 707.56 plus 213.16 plus 73.96 plus 302.76 plus 1049.76. That is 2,347.2. Okay, now we have that much. So we take that number, divide by n, which is 5. So we have n equal to 5. And so sigma is the square root of 2347.2 divided by 5. And we put that into the calculator. We have 2347.2 divided by 5 and square rooted 21.67 approximately. 21.67.